My name's David from South London, and the reason I'm interested in becoming a certified Google trainer is 2 years ago I got interested in using Google Apps through my dissertation on tablet technology. I found it a very useful tool, and I persuaded my current school to move over to Gmail and start then integrating Google Classroom and other apps just to make teachers' lives easier, and I really believe it does. And I'm actually starting a new post and doing my MPQSL in January, and this is looking at web technologies. And I really would like to integrate Google Apps through the whole school, and I really believe that becoming a certified trainer will be the first step to being able to do this. So this is my look into using Google Sheets and using add-ons within Google Sheets to simplify the processes into tracking BTEC. Tracker. So I use this on a daily basis with my students, and particularly I use a couple of add-ons for this. So in the add-ons I use Autocorrect, which is a mail merge, and SA Metrics, which looks at the student's classroom assignment through Google Classroom that I use to set the assignments. I can get various data to give some feedback to students, but it also gives me an insight to how the student's progressing. So this particular student, you can see, has got a high word count, but also has got quite a high reading age. So likely their work is actually going to achieve the task. But also you can actually see this student has actually mentioned a number of the key terms which is essential to achieving the criteria for the first assignment. So what I actually do is I've created a sheet here that looks through and gives comments back to the students to integrate with the BTEC paperwork, which is here. I've included some mail merge headings here, which I've linked with this sheet. So I'll give all my student feedback here, and then I'll run a mail merge through the add-on Autocorrect. And this gives the student feedback very quickly. This also links to the tracker, so you can see here the student has correction because he hasn't passed the task. But if I actually change here, and he's actually achieved this first task, it will link back to this tracker, and it should change to P. This tracker works out the automatic status for the student for this unit, also works out the points, works out the points for each unit. They've got 4 units over 2 years, but also gives me their final status at the end. I find it's very useful to track a student's progress, and I've linked this with other students and other courses, but also it's great for the students to actually see an overall status of their course, really, and see what they're progressing, how they can achieve the task and achieve their target grades, see if they're working below or above it. These are great tools that I use on a regular basis, and I support other teachers with using. Thanks for watching.